Watch how the moon sits in the sky on a dark night, shining with the light from the sun. The sun doesn't give light to the moon, assuming the moon's gonna owe it one. It makes me think of how you act to me. You do favors there rapidly, you just turn around and start asking me about things that you want back from me. I'm sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed while I find a place to rest.
I wanna be in another place. I hate when you say you don't understand. I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy, a place for my head.
Maybe someday I'll be just like you and step on people like you do and run away all the people I thought I knew. I remember back then you were, you used to be calm, used to be strong, used to be generous, but you should have known that you wear out your welcome, and now you see how quiet it is all alone. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed, will I find a place to rest? I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed, will I find a place to rest?
I wanna be in another place. I hate when you say
Now that is a tight fit.
I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy, a place for my head. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me.
Nothing like the sound of this.
I hate when you say you don't understand. I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy, a place for my head.
I am so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed, we'll find a place to rest. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed, we'll find a place to rest.
So how it'll work is that this leg is to go in here like that, and then the center crossbeam going like that. Now this isn't the one I get out for it, so just so you can get a kind of an idea. That will be strong enough.
Eterna soledad, el tiempo danza en la madrugada y no puedes dormir si están todas las luces apagadas. Ya se fue el tren y esta calle nunca más será igual. Aprendiste a tener miedo, pero hay que correr el riesgo de levantarse y seguir cayendo. Oh, oh, oh. No hay nada que perder cuando ya nada queda en el vaso y no puedes saber qué fuerte es el poder de un abrazo. Ya se fue el tren y esta calle nunca más será igual. Aprendiste a tener miedo, pero hay que correr el riesgo de levantarse y seguir. que todos estamos aquí. Yo sé la soledad te da un cierto confort, no te deja mirar eterna soledad. Eterna soledad. Sé que la gente busca tu consejo. Hay que correr el riesgo de levantarse y seguir cayendo, pero hay que correr el riesgo de levantarse y seguir. ¡Gracias! El señor Felipe está aquí, nos va a cantar una canción ahora.
All right, moment of truth. Here we go. First try, not bad. Hey, what are you still doing here? Don't you have better things to do? Anyways, yeah, that's Wolverine. Badass, isn't it? Well, we all can't be that badass. Sorry, I'm a bit sleepy. I just edited this video on my phone after an 18-hour shift, so I'm a little bit tired, a little bit groggy. Not the best video quality, but hey, we're gonna nice one. It's my second video ever on YouTube. Anyways, enjoy the rest of these pictures if you want, or go subscribe to PewDiePie. Whatever, get out of here. Seriously, don't waste your life. Are you gone yet?